Hi guys, and welcome to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Josephine, and welcome to my channel. Take a seat, grab a snack, grab a hot beverage if you need, do anything that you need to get comfortable, because today I have a little bit of a different one for you. Today I'm taking you on a camping trip that I had the other weekend with my friend Z. And this was actually coinciding with the time that I was taking off social media. And if you haven't watched that video that I filmed on my experiences with having a week off social media, I will link that in the description below. But yeah, it was coinciding with that, so it was just perfect timing, and my friend Z was like, let's go camping. So we just did this spontaneous camping trip, and I'd been craving like connection with nature and doing more adventurous fun stuff. So I hope you enjoy the video. I had a lot of fun filming it for you, and yeah, let's get into the vlog. I'm like real zoomed in. Okay, so just some context while you look at this very nice and flattering angle of my face. Wow. So I forgot to film an intro and started filming when we got to the campsite on Saturday night. So here it begins. Hello, we have arrived.
What up?
Now to set up in the dark.
I'm really tired already.
Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. We're lighting a fire, and I've never done this before. So let's see. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I think she's doing a good job.
You reckon?
Yeah, I think like that bark. Alright, we will resume once the fire is lit. BRB.
In there. That's some good lighting.
Oh, hello, large rat. How's your night been?
Hello, how you going? Oh,
Yeah, we did it.
we did it, mate. The cardboard did not work, but we did it.
I didn't think it would. So we just lit the sticks on fire. And voila.
Oi Z, wake up! So I seem to be the first one awake, so I'm just making us some breakfast. Today we're having oats. I will show you oats with cinnamon and honey and peanut butter. It's going to be amazing. And some blueberries and strawberries. And then this is the sauce. Would you look at that? Oh yeah. So today we are going on a little hike to Lower Portals, which is just here.
Take me to the bay. I wanna watch as all my thoughts are carried in the waves. Lift me to the sun. I'll see the world up on your shoulders like when I was
How's it
young.
going? Is that yummy? Oh yes, that looks very yummy. Oh. Oh, you like some flower. Oh yes, he likes it. Oh, you got a flower in your hair. Oh yes, you're so pretty. So we've arrived. We've nearly bogged ourselves.
It was scary.
But we didn't, and we're now at the track and we're going to walk it, and I will show you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Whew. Oh shit, where's Z?
I mean it for a second, close your eyes. Baby, do your best to concentrate your mind. Fix it upon whatever you like. I'm drunk on a memory back when we were just 17. Holding Lake Michigan with your eyes on me.
I think it's a moth though.
Round the corner, I thought I'd seen you. Thought you were looking for me. I thought.
So we made a trail mix with mixed roasted nuts and dried strawberries and vegan chocolate, and it is so good compared to nasty ass sultanas. It's so good. Do recommend this combo. So we have made it to the end of the track and it is so beautiful. And what did we say on the way? Like it's like nothing we've ever seen before. Like the terrain is so different to anything we've ever seen before. Some of it's like real burnt, some of it's like sandy, dry and sandy,
green.
Yeah, it was all over the place, but so beautiful and so worth every step for this view. I mean, just look at that. That was so beautiful. See, where are you? I see you! Oh man, amazing. It's lunchtime. Showered, we're feeling fresh, and now we're making dinner, and for dinner tonight we're making nachos. So I'll show ya.
El cilantro. El tomato.
Yes, honey. Don't know why we got the coconut yogurt out. I mean, we can probably not.
Taking everything out.
Alright, cool. We got our beans. We got tomatoes. We've got spinach that we're probably not going to use. Oh my god, I forgot about these.
Let's eat them tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
After our other hike, because we don't have much food left. I don't know if we can be bothered making pasta.
No. So,
I got shy.
Yeah, you really did, eh? Oh gosh. Alright. Anyway, we'll film how we go. I feel like Huey. Do you remember remember Huey?
Oh yeah, Huey's Adventures.
Huey just, that's what I mean.
Channel 10 after school.
Literally, I used to live for that show.
Absolutely magnificent.
Right, well you can start frying these little... I'm actually going to go over and rinse those beans because otherwise we'll be farting like there's no tomorrow. 2 teaspoons.
This much?
No, more. Like, shove her in, man.
Smells good.
Yes, honey.
Sun is setting.
Alright, so we had some music on here and I don't want to get copyrighted, but this is the finished product. Bone App the Teeth. We've also honed in on our fire building skills. A lot better than last night. She's looking good.
Last night, I was like 2.5 hours in, blowing on it, nothing was working. It was different.
It was a hard
tonight.
time.
Yeah, it was a hard time.
This was actually pretty easy to build this time. So the trick is first foliage, then sticks, then small sticks, and then the logs. There you have it, kids. We're doing our own little cacao ceremony. We've got our cacao. Going to do it by the fire. We've got our oracle cards. We're ready.
Nice.
It's a circle, circle of life. No easy way. Love that.
Wake up in the morning, you sleep behind, and know that I love you most. Seems you got another big day ahead, and know that this is your home. If you feel a little lonely, don't be scared. I know that you will find your way. Don't let your days become the same. Wake up in the morning, you sleep behind, and know that I love you most. Seems you got another big day ahead. I know that you're not alone.
Oh my god. So good.
It's way comfier than it looks. It's actually bliss.
Try sitting on these rocks. Like, it's so...
Lying down is
Oh,
where it's
so
at,
much
guys.
better.
Try it out sometime.
2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
I bought some cigs at the market by you.
Oh yeah. So we just finished our hike and it was amazing, and we had the best nap.
It was a really
on
good
those
nap.
rocks. It was so good. I guess I'm just gonna leave this vlog here and I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you can.